it's me, Kylie. Welcome to the studio. Today we're practicing our drawing skills with one of my favorite dinosaurs, the pterodactyl. So let's... That's draw in pterodactyl. This is gonna be kind of a cute little buddy pterodactyl for us to draw. If you wanna draw yours differently, do it. I'm gonna start with a diamond shape for the head. This will be where his neck goes. Now I'm gonna bring some lines out on both sides for the pterodactyl's awesome wings. Up on both sides. And then a line that goes down on both sides. This is the top of the pterodactyl's wings. I'm gonna double that line up. Connect the wings back to the body with two slightly curved lines underneath. I'm gonna draw another double line right here and right here. The wings are complete. Let's finish off the body. Some little pterodactyl feet. And this little guy is ready to fly. I told you he'd be cute. Let's color him in. I think that this pterodactyl drawing is which means awesome. And I think you're too. I love drawing and making things with you. If you like it too, like this video and subscribe to this channel. Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. And I'll see you next time.